So, yeah. You'll be able to, you'll actually be able to share that around and just see what's going on as well. So, yeah. So I can feel there now, there's a bit. You'll tend to watch it more up there rather than here. Yeah. I can feel there's rubbish in the gutter there now. So, in relation to doing the gutter, we'll do the outside of the gutter, and we'll flick it back in, and we'll do underneath the iron. So the tip is varied so that it's sort of pointing underneath the iron, and we'll work our way along. And I've moved the camera. I'll give you a bit of a, tell you what I do initially. Yeah.
Certain sections where it's good.
Yeah. So we throw it around. You can hear it. There's a bracket there, so there we go. Yeah, you want another go? Or? Being it is tight, I think you've got to sort of get the tool more up and down and.
I think probably the other nozzle. Try the other nozzle.
The other narrow one? Yep. Try that one. Yep. So you would face that under the iron.
That way?
Yeah, so it would go in like that. And it would be probably more of an up and down. Yeah. Yeah.
Seats don't line up.
Oh yeah. So I would even with that, if it's tight like that, I'd probably even stand more out here like this.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. And go along like this.
Probably picked a hard route for you here.
No, that's all right. I call that tool a bad day, if you've got to use it. Or we just go along like that. Don't be scared to throw it around like, yeah. great deal, isn't it?
I'm trying to find somewhere in 30.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That's why I went up towards the public.
Yeah. But your technique's a lot better now, so yeah.